Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to our Ranks Team channel. So we are almost done with all topics of HTML. Now we'll create a project using all tags what we learned in previous videos, and this project is going to help you to be confident about yourself. So now we'll start creating project, and then in last of the video we'll learn little bit about CSS, which stands for cascading style sheets. So now we are going to create a project in HTML. So firstly we'll create a folder, project in HTML, and then we'll open this folder in Visual Studio. We'll make a file name as index.html. Is going to our first HTML page which we are going to create. Firstly we'll take a emmet abbreviation, and then we'll change the title of our project. Let's say navigation with icons e-commerce website. And then we'll start taking a navigation bar in our body. Firstly we'll take a nav bar, and then in this we are going to create a unordered list. So firstly we'll open the tab of the unordered list, and then we will start taking list into this, and in middle of this we will take a anchor tag, and in middle of the anchor tag we are going to take a image tag. Done. In this anchor tag we need to take a href where we will write, let's say, hashtag home, and in this image I'm going to put src. I already downloaded images that I'm going to use it. So if you want, I will give this images in the description link. Now you can see all images are here. For writing the path of your image, what you need to write, firstly give the slash, then you will get all the available images into that. For now I'm going to use logo.jpg. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the output. Here you can see we got one image here which we taken as a logo. We already know we have some attributes like width attribute, height attribute, where you can fix the image, right? So before that we will give the alternate, which is nothing but a logo, and then we'll give a width attribute, and here I'm going to use 40 pixel, and then in the same way I'm going to write height attribute where I will take 30 pixel. So now you can see. Now again we'll take a list, and in middle of this we are going to take an anchor tag, and in this anchor tag we will write home. Okay, we already know if we are writing anchor tag we need to give the href attribute, so it's nothing but a reference of your anchor tag. Here I'm going to write hashtag home only. Here I'm going to show you one thing. For that what you need to do, just come in between of the head tag, and here we'll give a link. Okay, in this way you can give the other external links which you want to use in your website. REL is nothing but an attribute where you need to write the relationship, what actually the relationship is there which you are going to give the external link. So here we'll write the icon. Okay, and then we'll give a href attribute. Here you need to write slash again because we want to give the path, and here I will use ico.png. Okay, and then what type of href you are going to use, that you need to write. Whatever reference you are going to give, for that you need to give the relationship. What is the relationship between your href and in between of your body, and then you need to give the type attribute, like which type of attribute you are using in the reference. So it's a kind of icon. Now why we written this, so you can see there is one icon coming in the tab. So if you want to use any icon in the tab, so you need to write in this way. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. Again I'm going to give one link. So for that again you need to give the link relationship where you need to write the style sheets, and then in this href I'm going to use one link which I already saved in my notepad. So I will show you what actually this link is doing. Here I will paste it. So you can see you will not get any output here. Okay, but now if you are going to use I tag in middle of the anchor tag, if you will take I tag, okay, so what you need to do, in this I tag you have to write the class attribute, and you can write the class name which is already predefined. Okay, so you will get the icon like this. Okay, so if you are going to remove this link from here, it will not give you the icon. For that, it's needful to give this link in the href, and the relationship between this link and body is nothing but a style sheet. From where I'm writing this name that I'm going to show you now, just simply write HTML icons, and then if you will come here, HTML5 logo icon, click on icon. Now let's suppose here I'm going to write home. So you can use from here, just simply you need to click on this, copy this thing, and then just you need to come here and paste it. You can use any class name which is available on the site. Anything is going to work for you. Now in the same way, I'm going to take a list again, and then we'll take a anchor tag. In middle of the anchor tag, then we'll take a I tag. So you will get something like this. So if you will search here, let's say about address card, or you can search users, it will come something like this. Okay, so you can use anything according to you. Now again I'm going to take a list, and then we'll take a contact here. I have some class name that I'm going to use it. So that is FAS FA envelope, and then here again I will take one LI where I'm going to write services. So it will come like this. Here I will use a different class name, then we'll take a li again, and here I'm going to take a form tag where I will give the action attribute and need to give the hashtag. Okay, so actually we need to write PHP, but we are doing HTML now. Just for the reference I'm giving hashtag. Now you need to write the input tag, and in this input tag I'm going to take a type attribute, and here I will take the value of the attribute which is text. Okay, then I will write the placeholder attribute where I will write search. It will come like this, and here I will give a button tag, and in the button tag we need to take the type attribute again, and the value will be submit. Here also I'm going to take I tag, so it will come like this. So in middle of the button tag you need to take the I tag, then it will only come in the button. Now for this button I'm going to give the width and height attribute also, and here I will use 30 pixel. Now height attribute, and here I will take 30 pixel. So it will come like this. Okay, now the size is fixed, it's not going to change. Again we'll take a li tag, and in this I'm going to take a again, and in middle of this we'll take anchor tag, and here I'm going to take href attribute where I will write login.html, which we will create, and here in middle of this I'm going to take I tag where class name we will take as, so you can see it will come like this, and I will write the login here, and then again I'm going to take list, and here I will take logout, and the name we will take as logout.html. This we will create the other HTML web page, and here we will take a class name, so it will come like this. We are done with the navigation bar. You can see how this beautifully coming here. After this navigation bar I'm going to take a section tag, and in section tag I'm going to take a ID attribute where I will write home, and in this I'm going to take heading 1 where we will write welcome to our e-commerce store, and then we'll take a paragraph, discover the best products at unbeatable prices. Then again I'm going to take a heading 2 tag where I will write featured products, and in below I'm going to take a division, and in this division again I will take one division. So you can see it will show you something like this, and then in middle of this division I'm going to take a anchor tag where I will give the image tag. So in this division I'm going to take a anchor tag where I will take a href attribute and will give a picture of guitar, and then in middle of the anchor tag I'm going to take a image tag where again I will give the src, which is going to be same. We need to give the alternate, and then you can see it will come something like this. So here I'm going to give the width and height attribute again where I will give 150 pixel, and height attribute I'm going to give again 150 pixel. So it will come something like this. Now you can see I'm giving the href path same and src path same. Why? So you can see image is nothing but if you're going to click on an anchor tag, what actually you want to get, that we are writing in middle of the anchor tag. Okay, so if you will click on this, it will open. Okay, so you can zoom in and zoom out. Here I'm going to give a paragraph where I will write a strong tag. So you remember what is strong tag? It is similar like a B tag. B is nothing but a bold tag, but bold tag comes only in bold without importance, and strong tag comes with bold with the importance. So here I am going to write guitar, and then again we'll take a paragraph tag, and here we will write the price. Okay, 49.99. So it will come something like this. And after this P, I'm going to take a button tag, let's say add to cart, and then again we'll take one button tag, and here I will write delete, and we need to give the type attribute also where we'll write the value as a button. So I'm going to copy this. So it will come like this, and then you can put the comment also. Let's suppose just we are going to change the path of this, where I will write purse.jpg. Here also I need to change the thing. Alternate will be purse. Width and height is going to be same. Here I will edit as a purse. Let's change this price, add to cart, delete. That's it. Now if you will come here and if you will see, it will show you the output like this. Now in the same way, I'm going to take a product 3. I will comment this, and then again we'll take a division where let's say we are going to take a tag. So it is going to show you the output like this. So but we don't have any phone image here in our image folder. So here I'm going to write, let's say shoes. In alternate also we need to change. Here we need to change. So it will come like this. Now again we are going to take one division. So again what I will do, I will take a product 4. I will comment this, and then we'll copy this division and paste it here, and then we'll edit the thing. So now I'm going to take, let's say slipper.jpg. Here we need to change. In alternate we need to change. Don't see the spellings, it can be wrong. Okay, then here we need to change the thing. That's it. So it will show you like this. I'm going to take one more product. I will comment this, will copy this, and I will paste it here. And instead of slipper, I'm going to change utensil.jpg. Need to change this alternate, and then here also you need to change. Okay, done. So it will show you the output something like this. Now what we are going to do, we will take a category comment here. We'll comment, and then here I'm going to take h2. In middle of this I will write categories, and then we'll take a division. In this division what I'm going to write, that will show you. Before start writing the code, I will take one division again, and in this I will write the things one by one. So here I'm going to take image first, src attribute. Here I will write images and will take cloth.jpg. We need to give alternate attribute where I'm going to write, let's say cloth. I will give the width attribute here, let's say 150 pixel again, and then give a height attribute, let's say 100 pixel. And then I will take a paragraph tag. In middle of the paragraph tag I will take a anchor tag, and in anchor tag I'm going to write cloth, and then we'll need to give the href attribute. Now what I'm going to write here, just simply I will go, what I'm going to do, I will copy this link and I will paste it here in the href. So whenever you will come here and if you will click on cloth, it will navigate you on the shopping page. So you can directly give any particular link for Amazon, Meesho, Flipkart, whatever you want. Again I will take a category 2, put in comment, and then what I will do, I will copy this and I will paste it here. And then for category 2 what I will do, I will write cosmetic. Here also we need to write cosmetic, and then we need to change the thing here. So I will write cosmetic here too, and then we need to change the link, right? So instead of cloth, what I will do, cosmetic online shopping, I will copy this link and I will paste it here. Again, I will copy this. I will write category 3. I will put in comment, paste it here. Instead of cosmetic, now I'm going to take kitchen. Alternate need to change. Then here you need to change the keyword. And then what you need to do, take a link where you want to navigate, copy the link, come back and paste in middle of the double quote. So now it will come like this. Understood? So here our category section is done. After the section, I'm going to take a footer tag. Okay, this we already did in previous lecture also. What I will do, ampersand copy 2025 e-commerce store. Now you can see after learning the HTML, you can create a website like this, and then whatever anchor tag we taken, whatever href we given. So here you can see login.html, logout.html. Here we need to change the thing. So previously we taken the logo, so here we will not change. Here we need to write the home dot. Here also we will write the hashtag home, and then now we need to write about.html because we want to create a page for that. And then you need to write service.html, and here we will write contact.html. So now just control plus click you have to do. It will going to ask you want to create a file. So now about.html is created for you. In the same way we will create all the files, login.html, and then we'll create logout.html. So until here we are done with the main index file. Now we'll create the other web page which is about service contact, login and logout page. Okay, so for that what you need to do, so I already written something for the about.html. there's not extra thing, you can see. Just I'm taking the section, heading 1 p tag, heading 2 paragraph tag, then I'm taking here unordered list, then I'm taking this division. So in the same way I'm going to put the code for contact, login, logout and service. Now we'll paste the thing for login.html. This is already written for me. We'll paste the code for logout.html now. Then we'll paste the code for service.html. So now I'm going to show you the output, how it will look like. Okay, so if you're going to click on home, so here you will able to navigate. Okay, you will able to see these things. If you will click on about, so there is nothing, it's just a heading tag, paragraph tag, unordered list I'm taking here. Then whatever images you want to give, that you can take it here. Okay, and this is nothing, it's just a contact us thing. So I given the contact.html page also. So here you can see you are going to navigate on this page. If you will click there, so here it's just given email, phone address, customer service hours, it's just a heading, paragraph, unordered list, and then here I'm giving form tag. Okay, so in this way you can make it. Then again if you need to see other things, let's say services. Okay, you can see this is easy, you can do from yourself. Login is nothing, just paragraph. Form tag I'm going to give, button tag, then forget your password or don't have an account. This link is actually not working because I have not added this. Okay, if you will click on register here, so it will also tell it is not, it cannot get because we have not created. So what we will do, we will create the registration.html in the login page. Control plus click, create file. Then here also I'm going to paste some code. I'm going to paste it here. Now if you will come here and if you will see, it will show you something like this. Okay, you will get the form tag, login here. If you will click on login here, you will again going to see the same page, and then again from here you can click on register. If you want to go on home, so just click on home, you will able to navigate on the same page again. So here we are done with the project which we created after learning the HTML. Now I hope you are going to create this page, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to give this project in a description, and I'm going to give this images folder also in the description. If you need it, you can download from there. And in next video we are going to learn about CSS, then we'll see how we will able to design the website in very beautiful way, and then it become representable also, just like Amazon, Flipkart or any other shopping website you can see. So from the next video we are going to create a different playlist for a CSS. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this project useful, let me know in comment section, and please share with your friends or who are curious to learn web development. Share as much as possible, that helps to grow the channel. Next we are going to upload videos on CSS, and will enjoy to put more efforts on making the technical videos. And if there is any issue or error regarding other development tool or software which you are not able to find how to solve it, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to make videos on that. Stay connected, stay tuned, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.